everybody. This is Ian Lamont, founder of i30 Media Corporation and author of the Lee Media book, blog, and video channel available from leemedia.org. Today, I'll be talking about checking out conversion rates on Amazon FBA for your products. If this video helps you at the end, if you could take a moment to follow the channel or like the video, I would really appreciate it. And a quick disclaimer, you're responsible for following relevant terms and carefully evaluating our risk before following any of the advice I am about to show you. Your experience may be different depending on how you have your Amazon Seller Central account set up or when you're watching this video, because Amazon does update these tools from time to time. So here's my Amazon Seller account. But actually, before we go there, I just want to go to an Amazon detail page. This is a product that we sell. And sometimes you may be wondering, well, you probably know how many products you're selling for this particular item, either from looking at the orders that are coming through or maybe looking at some of the reports. But I want to know how many people, when they come to this particular detail page, end up buying the product. This is called the conversion rate. It's a really important number because if you have a more effective detail page, the conversion rate will go up. And if you can understand why your detail page is doing that, maybe you can do things to optimize the particular listing. So let's take a look and figure out what the conversion rate is for this particular page. And actually, Amazon FBA makes that data available to me as someone who sells something on Amazon and as somebody who has my own brands. So go to Amazon Seller Central. You want to go to Reports, Business Reports. One thing that really interests me about the business reports here is that people, it's very easy to look at the sales data. It'll show you this nice little graph here, but people don't dig into the detail page sales and traffic. That's where all the interesting stuff is. And Amazon actually really doesn't help itself because they make this data kind of hard to understand sometimes. They're using all these weird items that these weird terms that people don't understand. I think a lot of people focus on buy box percentage, but actually I think there should be more focus on this figure right here, unit session percentage. What this number is showing, this is basically the conversion rate. They're not using the term conversion rate. They're using a technical term that based on how many sessions there are. So for this particular item, 1,100 sessions in the time period selected, and then the number of units ordered, 191. So they do a little bit of division, and they come up with this particular figure. If I want to find out what the unit session percentage is, or the conversion rate is, all I need to do is find that particular item. So I'm going to copy that term, blank two-sided family group sheet. You can also use your ASIN if you know what that is, and then search for it. So I actually have several products that have a similar name, but this is the one we're talking about. So it shows the information. It shows I had 126 sessions, 16 products sold. That is a unit session percentage of 12.7%. It's actually not that bad. However, I may be looking at other unit session percentages up here, and this one is much better. And if I have a situation like that where this is 12% and this is nearly 20%, I maybe want to look at the products, compare them, seeing what's going on here with the detail page. Maybe there's something about the detail page, like this has a different type of image that's more effective compared to this one. Maybe there's something with the advertising I'm using to send people to this particular detail page, and maybe people's expectations aren't being matched by what they see in the ad versus what they see in the detail page. Whatever the case is, you have to evaluate that and make decisions, and maybe there's something that you could change. Could be the price, could be Prime availability, maybe your ratings and reviews aren't working out that well, so maybe you need to enter this in a program like Amazon Vine, which can help you get legitimate reviews for your particular product. All kinds of steps that you can take. It's beyond the scope of this video, but I just wanted to show you where to find the conversion rate. It's basically in Reports, Business Reports, Detail Page and Sales Traffic, and look for unit session percentage. You can also download this data into an Excel spreadsheet and mess around with it that way, but this particular number is really helpful to evaluating how good or how bad your detail pages are. For more information on how to get the most out of Amazon Seller Central, I've created a bunch of videos about it. They may be helpful to you. Go to leemedia.org, click on video to see them, or if you're already watching this on YouTube, you can browse through the channel. Also, if you follow me on YouTube, you will see new videos about once per week. And also, if this video helped you out, if you could like it, I'd really appreciate that. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.